Hello there's welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you what you can change with appearance. To change the settings, we need to click here and click on the settings. In your left, we need to click on appearance. Under appearance, what you can change first is the theme. And if I click here, so I can go with a dark, with a light, or you can go with any color from here. And also you can follow device colors if you want to. Down there we have the toolbar, or you can click here to customize your toolbar from here as well, just like this. So here you can customize your toolbar. Next we have the mode, which we can change from device to dark, or you can go with a light. Next we have show home button disabled. If you click, it's going to show the home button here. You can click at this home button to open a new tab page, or you can enter URL here. Whenever you click at this home page, is going to open that URL. And here we have show bookmarks bar. If you don't want to see that, simple, you can turn it off here. And show tab groups and bookmark bar. So here we have the tab group with the bookmark, and if I don't want to see that, simple, I'm going to turn it off. And here we have automatically pin new tab groups created on any device to the bookmark bar. And from here you can turn it off. Side panel position, you can see it is in right, and if I want to see that in the left, simple, I'm going to change from show on the right to show on the left, just like this. And for this part we are going to escape. We already uploaded a video in our channel, and if you want to see that video, you can find that video in our channel, that how we are going to change the tab hover preview card settings. For what purpose we are going to change that, you can find that video in our channel. So here we have the font size. You can choose very large, medium, small, and very small, and you can customize fonts from here. If I click, so we have the font size, standard font, serif font, and if I scroll down, there we have all the fonts available that we can customize here. You can change the font size, the minimum font size. And the last option here under appearance is the page zoom. It is 100. I can change from 100 to 67, or you can use control minus or plus icon if you want to zoom in or zoom out in the page. And if I want to reset, simple, I can click on reset button. So this is how we can change settings for appearance with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.